Good evening to all. On behalf of KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology and Civil Department, I welcome Mr. Udhayasankar sir. He is a structural consultant and he is also a software expert. And he completed his BE in Civil Engineering and ME Structural Engineering. He is having a lot of software skills like AutoCAD, Stat Pro, Revit Architecture, ETABS, SAFE, AutoCAD, SketchUp, and Primavera. And he worked as a site engineer as well as assistant professor. And he published books in ETABS, Stat Pro, and Revit Architecture. And he has given various guest lectures in colleges and training institute also. Now I request Mr. Uday Sankar sir to take over the session.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good evening to all. And today let's see about Revit structure, right? Okay, so basically I give small introduction about Revit. So basically Revit is a name common. It's used for Revit architecture is a elevation and other purpose, right? Elevation purpose creating of interior and exterior. Otherwise, Revit structures. Revit structure is creating for a grid lines other than using for detailing also concrete detailing and steel detailing and taken the estimation and quantity also, right? Estimation and quantity also in Revit structures. And another one is a mass structure, right? Mass structure. The mass structure is using for you creating the Burj Khalifa, right? G plus 13, 14 buildings. Burj Khalifa. That same like creating Revit also. Revit, one of the part mass structures. Architecture means creating the elevation, something interior and exterior. And you go to structure means creating a beam, column, slab, etc. Right? Reinforcement also. And then go to mass structures means you creating the Burj Khalifa more than 30 to 40 floors. You will be easily created in the Revit mass, right? Okay. Next 1 hour, let's see about Revit structure, right? Okay, I directly go to my presentation. Okay. Sir, my Revit screen is visible, sir. And I have no PPT and directly go to the Revit model. Okay. First of all, I basic things is tell about Revit. So many templates is there: construction template, architecture, and structural and mechanical. The mechanical is most of known MEP, right? Mechanical, electrical, plumbing. The Revit is common to all, right? Civil purpose, architecture purpose, structural purpose, and mechanical purpose, right? This is the so many construction template, architecture template, structural template, and mechanical template, right? Okay, fine. Someone wants how to give the sample structure family this type of proofs. You created this concrete buildings or steel structures, base plate connections, beam column joints. You will be easily created in the Revit structure, right? Revit Autodesk Revit. You directly download the student vision is there. Autodesk 3 years license and anyone is there, right? Okay, use it anywhere. You go to pirated directly use it on student. You have student, right? You go to student, downloaded the Autodesk website, 3 years license is there, right? So okay, fine. And then I go today I tell about Revit structures, right? I directly go to structure template. You go to any template, no problem. I simply click the structural template, right? So fine. I simply click this structural template. The first setting is a setting of unit, right? You go to any software, first step is a setting of unit. Directly go to view. Sorry, go to manage. Go to manage project settings. Go to project settings, right? Okay, project setting. I asked you some questions. Go to project setting. Okay, length is a common for all, right? You go to length. You change the length means I go to meter, right? Simply go to change the meter, right? Unit LB sense. Simply go to manage project limit settings. Go to project unit. Simply change the meter. Okay, right? Then what purpose the area is their volume, angle, slope, currency, mass density. what purpose this 5 is given, right? Already, yeah, someone's have known. Someone has known thoroughly what purpose of area, volume, angle, slope, concept. I tell about basically, right? Length is a creating a area, right? Another one is a area, volume, angle, slope, currency, right? What purpose means area and volume? For example, you take a one G plus, you consider one floor, right? That the area means you calculated the volume, 1 into 1 into 1. Simply create the volume. I need a 1 meter cube of concrete. I need it for my building. Simply tell that your RMC plant, any plant is directly is there, right? It is easy. You calculate the volume is simply you tell about the RMC plant, right? That is your volume will be calculated. Tiles work, you, how many tiles is needed, simply go for area. Easily calculate the tiles work also, currency also, right? Okay, fine. This purpose it will be used area, volume and currency, right? First one, I simply go to project units. Length, I will change the meter, meter only, right? Fine. Meter only. Then upon I will okay, finish, right? I will tell about how to create the grid lines and a beam column, how to take the quality, sorry, quantity, and how to take the cost, and otherwise, right? How to take the tiles qualities and brick, how many numbers of bricks I will tell, how to take the quality, that all, right? Okay. First step is over. The second step is a height, building height. Directly go to elevation, click the east, right? Already have level 1 0 0. You need level 3, level 2 is a 3 meter, right? You have need another level means simply click this, right? Simply click this, go to create, go to create similar, right? So the opposite is there. I need a 3 meter, 10 feet is a 3 meter, right? Enter the 3 meter, then go to draw, then pick lines, click this, right? Automatically at one floor, right? You created a simply created the level 1 is the ground floor. Your name will be changed. Simply click this, sorry. Simply click this ground floor, FGL, and this is a, yes, ground floor, and this is name is a first floor. If automatically your name will also will changeable, right? Your name will also changeable. Level for first floor, second floor, third floor. Sorry, first floor, second floor, also any floors it will be easily changeable. Simply click this. Simply double click on your mouse. Simply change the name like second floor. Simply click this. Yes, automatically say automatically, you know, third floor, fourth floor. Automatically click the level. Automatically it will change the height of the building, right? First step is setting up the unit. A second step is changing the unit, right? Second step is changing the unit, sorry, the height of the building, right? Already have inbuilt the ground floor is there, ground floor roof is there. Then create the first floor, second floors, right? First floor, second floors, and a terrace, right? You change the name of this level, right? You click this level, double click, you change the level. Second step is all right. First step is unit setting. Second step is going to elevation. Click this east and then change the going to elevation east. Click this level, then click this, go to create similar, then go to opposite, changes one by one, right? Okay, now itself second step over, right? Then go to, it's already name created, right? See this first floor, ground floor, automatically change. I directly go to ground floor. Simply this automatically from ground floor, right? Okay. Uh, Structural engineers do grid lines. No, center line of the column, right? Somebody do not know how to make the center line. So many confusions in center line. Like center line is a column center to center is a center line, right? Okay, that is a center line diagram for center line or grid line, right? That is a center line, center to center of the column position, right? Okay, I simply tell about how to make the center to center line. Easy method in Revit, right? Okay, fine. First of all, I simply go to architecture, right? Architecture, go to wall. I simply go to architecture wall, then go to properties, type of properties, edit. Wall thickness is 230 mm, right? 9 inch, 0.23. Okay, right. I simply change the wall thickness is 230 mm, right? And change the my height also, right? Ground floor height. I will change ground floor height. Simply go to draw option, right? I simply take a one rectangular any portion, right? Sorry. So okay. So no problem. You simply go to create this view, right? Simply I create this columns and grid lines. It will be created the one plan. Simply you create this plan also, right? Simply create this any plans in your building, right? Then how to make the grid lines, right? How to make the grid lines. Once again. So okay, fine. Next of all is the ground floor is the right. How to make the grid lines, right? How to make the grid lines means directly go to architecture, right? Directly go to architecture, go to datum. Datum is go to datum, click this grid line, right? Datum, go to grid line, select this grid line. This is a grid line for our building, right? You go to any shapes, directly go to and you select the grid line. Simply click this grid line and then go to the straight line is there, arc sign, any sign, and pick lines are there. I simply go to select this line, right? I simply draw this line. You go to simply draw this line, right? I will draw, already have one is there, right? I go to another one, right? Another option is a pick line option. Go to draw, select the pick line, right? Select this line. Yeah. Then offset is there, right? Click the 3 meter offset, right? 3 meter, enter, right? Then go to, now it's see, automatically the pick line will be automatically next 3 meter, right? Now it's see, this to this meter is a 3 meter. Then I need another one grid line, and this another one grid line I need 6 meters. Simply go offset, then enter 6 meter, right? Now it's see, automatically enter, right? Automatically, this is 3 meter, this is 6 meter. I need another one 6 meter. Now it's see, automatically the grid line will be created. The name also will be changeable. So 1 2 3 is the right. I created the this to this is a 3 meter grid line, and another one is a 6 meter grid line. Simply create, go to dutim and simply go to grid lines, right? Click this grid lines, then go to draw line, draw one grid line, then go to pick lines, then go to offset, right? Change the 10 meter, right? Enter, then pick the last line. See this, automatically the grid line will be changed, right? Okay, next of all I need to, this is this portion, right? So width portion, I need a length portion. Simply go same. Go to grid line. Then go to draw this grid line, right? Go to draw this grid line. Then go to I need this to this grid line. Same position. Pick lines. This is 3 meter. Simply click this 3. Then go to this 3 meter, right? Then another one is a 6 meter, right? 6 meter. Another one is 6 meter, another one is 6 meter. Now it's see, automatically it will be changed, right? Automatically it will be changed. Simply go to lines, go to first you draw the one line, then go to take a pick lines, right? Pick lines, then go to type the offset, you change the grid line spacing, right? Now it's easily created the grid lines, right? Now it's easily created. Then this name is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I need this, I need a b c d for this. How to fix the, this one is 1 2 3 and this one is for a b c d, means so many additions is there, so I tell so many time to take them. Okay, then simply how to change this a 1 2 3, right? Then how to change the a b c d, right? Simply click this capital A, right? No, it's changed, right? This simply click this B. Simply click this C, right? Simply click this D. Simply click this E, right? Now it's C. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. You will be changed automatically A, B, C, D. Right. How to change the name is go to double click. Automatically you change the any names. Right. This is a 1, 2, 3 or this is a A, B, C, D. This also you change the A, B, C, D. This also 1, 2, 3. Right. Simply go to draw the grid lines. Simply go to double click, you change the name 20, right, 21. Click this 22. Simply click this 22. How to understand how to change the grid line names, right? Fine. Now itself simply created the grid line. Right? First of all, I simply created the grid line. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a B, C, D, E, right? Okay, fine. Next of all, this I created the grid line, right? Then how to create the beam columns, a beam column slab, structural beam columns, not an architectural beam column slab, structural beam column slab. You simply create the Revit architecture, you create the beam column slab, right? You easily take the quantity of the column quantity, beam quantities. You calculate the volume easily. Directly order to RMC, right? 19 meter cube is there, my volume of the concrete. Then easily you will be calculate, right? Okay, this is a grid line. How to mark the footings, right? How to mark the footings means this is architecture purpose. I tell about the architecture also, then structural also, right? Now itself go to structural, right? Structural. You go to structural makes steel and concrete also. This is for concrete. This is for steel structural connections. Steel connections, steel beams, die sections. So many sections are there. Base, but I tell about tomorrow. Today itself, concrete only. Simply go to structure, right? And simply go to structure, simply go to structure. The structure is a beam, wall, uh, column, floors is the right. This is for steel truss. So many trusses are there, brace, beam system, anyone, right? This is called foundation, isolated foundation, wall foundation, slabs, any is there. This is a rebar material. Directly click the rebar shapes, any shapes, right? Okay, fine. Now itself I create the foundation, right? I simply go to foundation, right? I simply go to foundation, select the isolated footing, right? Now it's simply select the isolated footing. Click this. Automatically the footing will be created, right? Simply the automatically the footing will be created, right? Simply click this. Automatically the center line will be created, right? Automatically center line will be created. Then now itself it created like a footing, right? Go to 3D view. See this, not a grid line, only this. Now itself automatically this is a concrete path, right? Automatically it will be created as a concrete, right? It's a ground floor. I need another one means directly go to structural, directly go to foundation, isolated. Then see this one by one center line. I need this one, right? Center. I need center, right? Okay, fine. Then how to change the um, how to change the sizes of your footing, right? How to change the sizes of your footing? Simply click this footing, right? Simply click this footing, go to property, right? Go to property, then go to properties. This go to property, sorry, go to properties and go to type properties, right? Go to properties, go to type properties, right? Click this. See this, automatically there your normal rectangular footing size is foundation thickness is 0.45, right? So 0.12 meter into 0.8 meter, right? I need 0.12 into 0.12, right? I simply this 0.18 it there, right? See 0.12, apply. So see automatically the all footing size are will be square, right? Simply click this. Simply click this, go to properties, go to type of properties, then go to foundation thickness means your foundation 300 mm, 0.3, right? Then okay, automatically thickness. This all are one thickness. I change this thickness 2 meter by 2 meter, this footing size. Simply go to select this footing, go to properties, type of properties, go to duplicate, right? Create another one name, one, right? Okay, then go to size, point 2 meter into 2 meter, right? 2 meter, then go to 2 meter, right? Then okay. Now it see automatically I created the only for duplicate. It says this footing is a 0.12, 0.12. it's automatically this one footing is a 0.2 meter 2 meter, right? How to create this type of different sizes, right? Simply select this footing and go to properties, type of properties, then go to create a duplicate, then go to change the sizes, right? Okay, now understand how to create the footing sizes, right? Simply create this footing size, then go to footing, will be change any sizes. See this, simply click this, right? Now understand how to create the grid lines, how to create the footing, how to edit the footing sizes. Simply click this edit, then go to type of properties, then edit the length, breadth and thickness, right? You simply calculate in stat pro or e tabs in your model, then go to simply edit the diagrams and others, etc., right? Simply edit it, right? Okay, fine. Now itself go to view, create 3D view, right? Now it's see automatically 3D view will be created, right? Simply go to guidelines, automatically centrally posted my footings, right? Now itself it will be created footings. Okay, simply go to ground floor, right? Then I create a column. Now I create next one. I fix the column, right. I simply go to structural, then go to structural, click the column, right. You click the column, already have steel column only. I need concrete column, right. Already you go to structural, click this column. It's a steel column only, right. Steel column. See this steel column. Click this view, create 3D view, right. You see this steel column only there, right. I need a concrete column, right. Concrete column. This is center points. This is all of a center points, right. Simply go to ground floor. This is steel column, right. I simply delete this column, right. The steel column, I do not need this column, right. Simply delete. Then go to ground floor, right. Then go to ground floor, right. Then go to same structural. Then go to column, click this column. Then another one option is there, right. Load family. Go to load family, right. Load family, go to so many libraries is there, right. Automatically download the expression, the library is there. Simply go to structural column, right. Structural column, the so many columns are there, only not a concrete column. You go to concrete and a light gauge steel and a precast concrete and steel also there, right. Steel columns, channels, T channels, double C, double C, HP, HSS, L angles, pipes, all of us there, right. In your steel also, right. Foundation also same. You go to foundations, directly go to structural foundations, right. Normally isolated, you go to pile cap, right. 5 piles, 6 piles, and more than so many piles is there, right. Simply go to created and pick it, right. And simply go to columns, right. Simply structural column, sorry, structural column, then concrete column, right. So many steps are there, round column or square column, rectangular. I simply click this rectangular column, right. This is for flat slab, column with drop. You created a flat slab means simply go for click this column with the corbel drop, right. Drop corbel. This is used for flat slab only. I am creating normal slab only, right. I am creating a normal slab. Then go to rectangle. Simply click this rectangular column, right. Simply click this rectangular column, then go to open, right. Overview, sorry. Yeah, now it's I taken this square column, but I changed the sizes also, right. I simply take the square column, right. I simply click this column, right. Then also this is square column, I simply click this column, and this is also square columns, right. See this, and simply click this square columns, then this is square column, right. Then go to view, then go to 3D view. Now it's see automatically it will be created, right. Automatically it's column, right. Center line, it's automatically created a column. How to change the square column? Simply click this, right. Simply click this, simply go to properties, same type of properties, right? Go to 0.38 square column, right? I need 0.23, right? 0.3. Simply enter OK. See this, automatically the 0.3 will be created, right? Then ground floor, then go to east view, anyone view, right? It's okay, no problem. I will tell about after. Now it's see automatically it will be created the columns, right? It will be simply go to structural, then go to structural, then columns, right? So concrete columns, right? Simply click this concrete column view, go to create 3D views. Now it's see automatically created the 3D columns, right? Now it's go to rectangular column or any column, it will be automatically it will be created, right? Now it's see automatically created the rectangular square columns, right? Simply go to ground floor, automatically it will be created the square columns, right? Now it's the central line automatically formed, right? Okay, then go to how to create the grade beams, right? How to create the, now itself create the column. How to create the size means simply select this column, same simply go to property and type of property, you change the b value, right? Now it's automatically it will be changed, right? Okay, next of all, how to create the grade beams, right? This is a grade beam. How to create the grade, how to increase the column size, select this column size, go to properties, go to this properties, right? Select this properties, automatic base offset is there, right? Top offset, you create the base offset and top offset, automatically it will be created, right? Now itself automatically it will be created, right? Then go to ground floor, right? Then go to beam, go to structural, then go to beam, right? This is steel beam is there. I simply go to load family, then simply back and go to concrete beam, structural beams. The structural beaming is no tiny pot, not then go to structural framing, right? You go to structural framing, concrete, the rectangular beam is there, right? Concrete rectangular beam, right? Simply open this, right? Simply open this, right? Simply draw this to this, I need a rectangular beam, right? See this, automatically it will be created. Then view, go to create 3D view. See this, automatically it will be created. Sorry, this is steel beam. Sorry. It's created a steel beam. I need a concrete beam, right? It's a concrete beam. Simply go to structure. Simply go to sorry beams. Then go to load family concrete beam, right? Open, right? Then go to beams, right? Then go to simply go to view. See this, create 3D view. Sorry, one second. Some mistakes. Structure. Yeah, another one. So only steel beam is there. I simply go to structural, then go to select this beam, then go to load family, there is a concrete beam line. Select this concrete beam, then join this to this, right? Sorry. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry, automatically change the steel member, right? I simply go to columns the same level, then go to modify load beams, then concrete beams, right? Mm, load family. Then this concrete beam. Then select this concrete. Then select this concrete. Then open right. So some sorry for the inconvenience. Some problems is now it's changed the steel beam to do not change the concrete beams, right? If we go to load, yeah, it will be do not change means directly go to this place, right? Directly go to properties, click this properties, right? This is the highest MB300 steel beam section. So all properties there, right? Steel beam properties. Simply go to this family file, then go to concrete beam system, right? You change this concrete beam system, then go to draw this concrete, then go to ground floor, right? Then go to beam draw. It simply go to beam, right? Then go to properties, then go to simply go to concrete beam, right? Okay, then go to draw this beam, this to this, right? Simply draw this. Now it see automatically the concrete will beam will be draw, right? Simply the concrete beam will be draw this to this unit secondary beams, so automatically it will be draw, right? Now it see automatically it will be draw. Now itself you go to create 3D view, right? Now it's see automatically it will be created, right? This is a center line diagram. The center portion diagram, it is equal or unequal, it will be changed. This is center line. How to reduce the beam sizes, right? Simply click this beam, right? Go to properties, go to type of properties, right? So beam width is a 0.3, right? Beam height is a 0.35. Okay, click this. I would see automatically the size will be reduced, right? The with this is width is a 230 and I reduce the thickness is a to 300 mm. Now it's see automatically it will be clear, right? Now itself automatically it will be this line will be center portion. The center is center to center joint. This also this beam is load to carry over this beam is carry over to this is three loads are carry over to this column, right? A column distribution method. This is a beam is carry over to this moment is carry over to this moment, right? Now understand clearly. This beam loads are this beam load two loads are carry over to this column, and this is the secondary beam. This beam is go to this partial portion, this partial portion. Now understand how to create the beams, right? How to create the grade beams means select this beam, right? Simply select this beam, simply select this beam, go to property, go to properties, right? Simply go to properties. The two offset is there, right? Start offset, base offset, right? Simply go to minus 2.5, right? 2.5 and end offset, right? It see automatically this will be changed, right? Grade beam, simply it will be changed the grade beam, this beam to beam, right? Simply this is offset taken from 2.5 meter. Simply click this, right? Simply click this, then go to properties, right? Then go to first offset minus downward with minus 2.5, right? Then another also minus, right? 2.5 enter, right? Now it's see, sorry, click this minus, right? Minus 2.5 enter, right? Now it see automatically it creates the beams, right? It creates the grade beam from any beam, right? Length beam or grade beam, any beam you will be created the this levels, right? Now let's understand how to create the main beams and this type of ground level beams, plinth beams. You create the plinth beam means simply click this is 2.5, right? You click this 2 meter, right? Now understand. Now it's see click this, right? Sorry, I would say automatically created, right? This is a ground level pedestal to pedestal raft beam, like this is a plinth beam, like above the ground level, right? Now itself easily created the beams also, right? Now it's simply created, select the beam, then go to properties, you change the base dimension, this dimension automatically change the grade beam is grade beam, and the earth beam means earth beam, you create the any beams, right? Now itself I simply go to 0. This is a 0, right? Now let's see, automatically it will be this also 0. Simply click this 0. This is a 0, right? Now let's see, automatically click this load pattern. This is a corner column, side uniaxial, biaxial, axial, same like that. You will be see this. This is also secondary beams like that, right? You will be see the line portions, uniaxial, biaxial, axial, three side column, center column. Now we'll see how to create the footing sizes, column sizes, beam sizes, secondary beams, right? Okay. Now next, how to create the slabs, right? How to create the slabs. I tell about only basics, right? I tell about only basics. How next upon how to create the slabs, right? Simply go to structural, right? Simply go to structural. You go to structural. This is a floor. You go to floor. Another ways you go to slab is the foundation slab. The slab is some difficulties there, right? You go to structural slab. You go to draw. Then go to rectangular, right? Simply draw this slab. Then go to finish view. Go to create. Now it's see, automatically it will be created a slab, right? Simply go to select this slab, automatically it will be created, right? How means slab created means simply click the ground floor, right? Ground floor. Simply go to structural. Simply go to simply go to foundation slab, structural slab, right? Same slab, any one slab, no problem. Slab. Then go to draw. You say you change any slabs, any shapes, circular or any shapes, right? I simply click this rectangular. Then I draw the slabs, right? I draw the slab portions. Center to center is the right slab. Simply click this slab portion, right? Now it's see automatically simply mode yes. Yes. Simply go to view 3D view. Now it's see automatically it will be created like automatically it will be created a floor grade beams also grade beam slabs. This is a grade beam, like simply go to properties, right? There is a base level. Simply go to -2 meter 2, right? This is a simply go to -2, enter, right? Sorry, 2, enter, right? I would say automatically create the earthen beam or grade beam, right? This to this created the grade beam or any beam. This to this created the main beam. This is secondary beam, right? Secondary beam, this is main beam. The secondary beam sitting on your main beam. This is slab. The slab is distributed on your beam. The beam is transferred to load to column line. This is a load pattern, right? Now understand how to create the grid lines. Simply see this grid line, right? This is our grid line. This is our slab marking diagram, and this is a columns, right? This is a column to grid line. You will be take any diagram, right? Simply go to this view 3D view, right? Now understand how to create the concrete beams, concrete slabs, concrete reinforcement beams, etc. Right? This way only create the easily create the concrete beams, concrete slab anywhere, right? Not only concrete, you create this steel also, right? Easily you create the steel. Okay, this is a simple path to create a one framed structure in Revit Structure. Now understand how to create the grid lines, how to create the footing, and how to create sizes, columns, and otherwise you will create the beams, like this type of beams, this type of slabs, right? The first part is over, right? The first part is over. First part I create the grid lines, and I create the footing line, and I create the beam slabs lines, right? Next step is how to take the quantity, how to tell the quantity. I simply need, for example, I need a column quantity, how many meter cube is in my quantity, how to take the column quantity, and I tell about how to fix the reinforcement, right, for our footing, column beam, right? Okay, then how to take the quantity of the concrete columns, footings, right? I will take one quantity slabs, right? How to take means simply go to sorry, yeah, simply go to view toolbar, right? Simply go to view toolbar, go to create, right? Simply go to view toolbar, go to create, simply go to schedules, right? This is the main part for creating a tiles quantity and other quantities, all of us, right? I tell about how to take the tile quantities and other etc, right? Same path. Simply go to create, go to schedule, right? Go to schedule and simply go to schedule and qualities, right? Schedule and qualities. Click this schedule and qualities. Click this schedule and qualities, right? This is a schedule for all of us, right? This is a schedule for all of us. Okay, you mean schedule means you go to brick schedule or another floor schedule, steel schedule, or any schedule. You make this, right? Okay, I need only column schedule, right? I need only column concrete. You simply go this, you go to structural, you go to this is for all architecture purpose and also structural purpose also, right? MEP, all of us, right? Architecture purpose, structural purpose, all purpose are there, right? Okay, I need simply column volume. I need column volume, right? Simply go to structural column, select the structural column, right? Select the structural column, simply click OK, right? Simply click OK, then automatically this table will be formed, right? Automatically this table will be formed. This is so many is there. I will need any I need a cost, right? I tell about I cost. I need a cost and I need a volume, right? Mainly I need the volume, right? Volume of the column, total volume of the column, and then I need any one. You create any means you directly go to select this. Estimated reinforcement also. I do not give the reinforcement, but you give the reinforcement. Reinforcement will be taken like the base level and the offset level of these columns, and I go to family types or any types, right? Okay, now itself if volume will be calculated, right? Now itself volume will be calculated. I think the volume is I think the okay. Now itself I directly click this volume only, right? I simply go to this volume, base level and offset level. I need only for volume of this concrete, right? Okay, I will take like this. Simply click OK. Now it's see automatically it will comes, right? The cost I will tell about how to make the cost also, right? Now it's see how many columns is there, right? Sorry, how many columns is there, right? Simply 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is there, right? Simply 7 columns is there, right? 7 columns. You see this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is there. 7 are same sizes, so its columns are same size quantity is there, right? Same size quantity. This also convert into Excel sheet also, right? Okay, Excel sheet also. Then this is a quantity is there, right? One column, two column. This is the base level, is a ground level. This is a 3 meter offset, right? You change the any levels, level one, level two, any one, right? This is the height of your building, right? Okay, next one, how to calculate the cost. 0.23 meter cube needed for my concrete, right? 0.23, 1 meter cube concrete, 8,000 rupees, right? Okay, I will close it. Simply go to view, create schedule and quantities, right? Simply go to structural columns, right? Structural columns, okay, right? Simply go to base level, offset level, cost, and volume, right? Okay, a volume. I need a one volume of a concrete is, for example, 8,000 rupees, right? And there's so many calculations there. One volume of a concrete is 8,000 rupees. I simply go to calculate the formula. We go to, sorry, yeah, fx condition, right? You go to fx this condition, right? Click this fx this condition, go to calculation value, the name is there, right? Click this total cost, right? TO caps, total cost, right? Total cost, right? Then formula, this is a common, no problem, you will be common, right? Just go to change the volume, right? Volume, volume into cost is amount, right? volume into cost. Simply how to create the formula means simply click this. The volume is the right. Okay. Then into shift into in your desktop, right? Then click this button. Then cost, right? Okay. Then give okay. Then automatically add it total cost. Then give okay. Now it's see the total cost is added, but the cost manually it added, right? I need 8,000, right? Enter. It will be all are same column, right? I'll be cost will be same for all columns. I simply click OK. Now it's see 8,000 1 meter cube of this concrete, right? 8,000 1 meter cube of this column. Then I need only 0.2 meter, 0.23. Then easily convertible to take this total cost of this column, right? Quantity, right? Simply take the total quantity of this column. How to add the totals, right? How to add the totals means simply go to schedule, click this, sorry. Simply same process, simply go to parameters, right? Okay, I told the same step. Simply go to view, create schedule, right? Schedule quantities, then go to structural column, right? Structural columns, then go to OK, then go to volume, right? Volume, then I need a cost, right? Base level and offset level and cost also, right? How to convert the formula means go to fx, this is total cost, right? POEAL, total cost, right? Total cost. Then go to volume, right? Then simply go to volume into, sorry, into, right? Shift into, right? Shift into, right? Wait one second, click this. There is the parameter, right? Total cost. I create this one parameter. Simply go to total cost, right? Total cost. Then go to change the volume, right? Volume. Then go to cost, right? Okay. Then you go to enter, right? Shift enter. Then volume, right? Then okay. You okay. Automatically the formula will be same as a beam, footing, column, slab. You will be calculate the volume. The same procedure it will be follow, right? Total quantities are same. Then how to add the total means go to filters, right? Filters is nothing but simply go to filters. You go to total cost, right? Then go to shorten and grouping. Sorry, this do not use with none. Next one is shorten and grouping, right? You go to shorten and go to by total cost, right? Click this total cost, then go to grand total, then go to totals only, right? Totals only. Then go to formatting. Go to formatting. It's a volume only, horizontal alignment, left or right. No totals. Is a calculate totals, right? Then total cost, same. Calculate the totals, right? Then click OK. Now it's see. Automatically our volume of the concrete is 1.58 meter cube, right? Our volume. Total cost of your concrete is 12,600 meter cube, right? Your concrete. Understand how to take the amount of your concrete columns, right? Simply go to volume. You go to 0.23 meter is there, right? Simply click this 0.23 meter. Directly our cost is 1 meter cube, say 8,000. Simply into this, automatically it will be calculated. You see this automatically 12,600 for your 7 columns amount and 1.5 meter cube for volume for all 7 columns. Now itself easily it will be calculated, right? Easily it will be calculated. Understand? Same as footings also any other, it will be same procedure. It will be calculated, right? Okay. Next of all, same. Okay. Next of all, next how to calculate the tiles means same procedure. You will go same procedure. It will be calculated automatically. Sheet will be appear, right? Now it's the column schedule 3. Automatically meter cube of this column and total cost all will become, right? Okay. Next of all, how to create the reinforcement, right? How to create the reinforcement? Then go to ground floor, right? Ground floor. Then cut this section, right? Cut this section. First of all, cut this section. How to cut this section means simply go to view, go to simply go to view, go to create, right? Go to create, go to section, right? Section, simply click this section, this to this, right? Click this. I need this side. Simply click this arrow, right? Section automatically created, right? Simply go to, this is a structural plan, this is a 3D plan, this is a elevations, this is a section, this is our schedule quantities, right? In our section, simply click this section 1. Now it's see automatically created, right? Our footing, our column, right? Our footing, our column. Then how to create the footing and the columns, right? How to create the footings and columns? Simply you go to structural, right? You go to structural. First of all, you set the footing rebars. Sorry, cover block, right? The footing column is the 50 mm, right? The maximum 40 mm per column. Slab 20 to 25, right? Okay, simply go to select the column, then go to structural, then go to reinforcement retail, right? Reinforcement, then go to cover, recover, click this cover, then go to it is editable, then click this. Automatically already have extreme, mild, moderate is their cover. Any one cover you will be provide. Also you will be editable. Automatically it will be take the cover, right? Automatically it will be take the cover, any cover it will be take also addable, right? Automatically it will be add the cover of your footing, right? You see this dot line, the dot line is a cover of your footing, right? Now it's created the cover, right? Now it's create the cover. Then how to create the rebars? Then how to create the rebars, right? Simply go to reinforcement, click the rebars. The rebars not in a Revit, you insert into your Revit, right? How to insert mean you give OK. Now itself already is there, right? Already is there. How to insert in your Revit means directly go to library. Then the library have this files are rebar shape file system. Directly click this rebar files. Directly insert in your model, right? Directly insert in your models. Okay, fine. Is directly in your library also. This type of all rebar shapes. Also hand line also there. You will be insert in a rebar. This is a main one. This and this one place work plan and place. These two are main to create your rebars, right? These two are create your rebars, any shapes, right? Okay, fine. I simply create the footings, right? Sorry, it will be okay. Section. I delete this section. Simply go to view. Simply go to view, create. I will go to section, click this section and click this grid line. Automatically I change this section, then go to section, right? Section, click this section, right? Then go to structural, then go to rebar cover, automatically calculated, then go to rebars. Okay, the rebar shapes is there. Footing rebar, right? Select this shape of footing is there, right? Pedestal rebar. Click this rebar, then go to fix this place, right? Simply fix this place. Then I need so many of the, right? How to fix the so many? Then go to view 3D, right? View 3D. This is rebar, right? This rebar. Now it's see. Now it's see. This one is there, right? How to increase the so many. How to increase the number of, right? Simply click this, right? Simply click this. Go to ah sorry, rebar set, right? Go to rebar set. This is single one is the, right? Go to fixed number maximum spacing, right? Click the maximum spacing. This is 100 mm spacing. I give the 40 mm space, sorry. Rebar set, go to maximum spacing. I give 100 mm is 13 number of quantities. Now you go to view 3D, right? Now it's see automatically it will be created, right? Automatically so many of created, nothing but simply I'm going to section, simply click this, simply go to rebar sets, then go to maximum spacing. I converted into 1800 something or, right? 1.2 meter. 100 means 12 or 13 is come, right? But automatically it will be calculated, right? Simply see this, automatically it will be calculated, right? This side. Then how to draw the this side, right? Then how to draw the this side? Simply click this section, right? Simply click this section. go to structural, right? Simply click the structure and go to rebar. Then same shape, but you go to same placement or to parallel, right? Parallel to cover. Sorry. Once again. Yeah. You go to now itself created this one, right? Now it's same like this, it will be created. Simply go to section, go to select this, right? Go to simply go to select this and go to which shape you start, go to select this rebar and go to select this, right? Place to current to working plan, right? Current to working plan. Select this, simply select this, go to rebar set, go to maximum spacing, right? Simply click this, automatically it will be created. Then go to view, create 3D. Now it's see, automatically it will be created with a pedestal. Simply go to rebar shape, it will be created the rebar, then automatically it will be created like a pedestal. Now it's see, simply nothing but so many steps. So simply go to select your rebars, then go to structural, then go to structural, sorry, reinforcement, click the rebars and go to reinforcement, then click the reinforcement, go to place a work plane or reference plane, then go to rebar set. Single means single. Maximum you give maximum spacing. Simply click the maximum spacing. You go to that length. Automatically it will be calculated the spacing. Now it's see. Automatically it will be created the reinforcement, right? Automatically. Then how to draw the columns? Go to section 1, right? How to draw the columns for your reinforcement? Simply go to structural reinforcement rebar. The column is a straight one, right? Simply click this. You go to parallel to work plane, right? See this, click this. Automatically click this, right? Same this side, right? Simply go to view 3D. Now it's see. Automatically click this one. How to increase this? Simply go to select this, right? Select this, go to rebar, maximum spacing. 4 meter means 100. Simply go to view, go to 3D. Now it's see, automatically it will be created, right? This side, then other side. Simply go to section, click this, simply go to rebar setting, maximum spacing. Then go to view, then 3D rebar, see the other side, four side, oh sorry, this side is the, then opposite side, right? Opposite, opposite side means simply click this, sorry, go to rebar and go to maximum spacing, right? You click this maximum spacing, automatically it will be created the columns, right? Okay, fine. Now itself create the columns. Now itself how to create the syrups, right? Go to structural reinforcement rebar. You click this, automatically structural steps is there, right? Links. Simply click the links. Simply go to parallel to, sorry, perpendicular to cover, right? Simply click this. See, sorry. Then go to view, create 3D. Now it's see, automatically it will be created the cover, right? Automatically it will be create the covers and pedestal also in your reinforcement, right? Okay, then how to join the this rod to this rod? Go to section. How to join the this shape to this shape, right? Then simple, go to structural and then go to rebar, right? Then click the reinforce, sorry, click the select the rod, then go to another one option is there, right? Sorry, that mode option. You go to mode option, edit sketch, right? Go to mode option, edit sketch. You go to line option, right? Simply click this line to draw these lines, right? Simply click this line. Then other one, right? Simply go this line and simply draw this line, right? Automatically it will be draw also your diagrams, right? Sorry. Once again, it will some rebar shapes is there, right? Wait and see, sorry. Rebar, uh, rebar sets, rebar cover, rebar, sketch rebar. This is the option. Go to rebar, directly fix sketch rebar, right? Simply sketch rebar, then go to click this point, right? Click this point, sorry, right. Simply go to structure, reinforcement, sketch rebar, right? You go to sketch rebar, automatically you will be draw the rebar shapes also, right? Automatically you will draw the rebar shapes, right? You click this, automatically you will draw the rebar shapes also. Any shapes you will be draw the rebars, right? Try this, go to this shape, you will be try, it will be comes, right? Simply how to draw the rebars means, simply go to this bar, select this bars, simply go to this structure rebar, and the other one is there, right? Click this reinforcement, sketch rebar, directly sketch this rebar, you will be draw this portions, right? Directly go this rebar, sketch rebar, then you will be directly draw the bars, right? Draw the bars, this to this bars you will be connect, or anyone you will be directly it will be draw, right? This is a making for your diagram, right? Simply go to taking your reinforcement detailing for your, go to sketch rebar, you will be draw any shapes, right? Now understand how to create the one rebar, structural rebars and others, etc., right? Okay, fine. Now it's completed, right? Now it's completed one structural drawing and others, right? One structural beam columns and slab drawing creation other. Then how to fix the all drawings in one sheet? How to fix the all drawings, right? Simply go to select the sheet, right? Simply go to select the sheet, go to new sheet, new sheet. Okay, click this side. This is a new sheet. You create a edited option is there. You create edit your options in your sheets, right? Then go to first your plan, right? Click this plan. Simply drag this. Simply apply, right? Simply open this sheet. Yeah, sheet is there, right? Simply click this, drag and directly apply. See this automatically is right. Sorry. Simply apply on your portions, right? You will be simply, this is another option is directly click this, you will be reduce the size of anyone, you automatically it will be use it, right? It's automatically you will be crop it or any it, it's automatically it will be reduce the size. Click this, click, click this automatically with the viewpoint or activate point, create this views, right? Okay, first of all, if this view is there, you automatically click this. Another one is an analytical view, 3D view. Just you click this, sorry, go to this 3D view, click this 3D view, directly apply, right? You see, now you see automatically 3D scene, underneath see this elevation, right? Click this elevation, automatically it's come this elevation, right? This portion, elevation, your grid line, this is our footing, this is our column, this is our sheet, right? This is our elevation diagram for your level, right? The next one is the section. I cut this one section, right? This is our section diagram. See this, that this is our section diagram for our reinforcement, right? Same reinforcement, it will be our section diagram. Then schedule and quantities, click this, automatically drag this, right? Automatically it's from the section and the quantities your diagram. Now we see how to create your sheets and etc., right? Simply create your 3D rain 3D beam column diagram, then create the grid lines also. You see, create the top view on any view will be create the views, and also schedules will be created, how many quantities of the concrete volume is needed, and this how much amount you will be needed, total cost. Then how to create this rebars and cross sections of your beams and other also grid lines or many are same. This is a plan view, this is a elevation view, right? You see this any elevation view, it will be C, right? This is one of the elevation view, this is a great beam is there. This is a main beam. This is a column, right? Now it's understand how to create this is simple one. Let's go to more process. This is a simple one. It's created simply created the one elevation, right? Okay, fine. Now understand how to create the grid lines, how to create the column marking footing slabs, how to create the reinforcement. Simply go to structure, you go to the reinforcement, directly give the any reinforcement, any shapes, you directly apply on place to parallel, place to these two methods only. Then go to any diagram you reinforce, directly click this, directly draw your reinforcement. Then go to sections. Sections means you go to view option, to directly go to create, go to section, section cut your plan. Then schedule means directly go to schedule. Then graphic column view. The graphic column is nothing but this is the column location, right? This is our column C1, C2, C3. Even your name is there, right? Automatic given. This is a level 1, level 2, level 3, right? This is a column graphical plan. Now understand how to simply I created the one framed structure in your Revit structures, right? Okay. Now itself I completed this section. This is a large section, a small introduction about Revit structure, how to create the steel columns and something as labs like reinforcement, how to take the schedules, how to check this is how to click the place, then etc. Right. Now itself I completed this session. Any doubt? Last me. Sir? Oh, okay, so okay, sir. சொல்லுங்க சார். சார் Revit ஆ ஓகே சார். ஓகே சார். ஓகே சார். Sir, Revit architecture is creating for elevation purpose only, sir. Revit structure is like a beam column framed structure, sir. That is the difference only. Architecture and structure also, sir. It's creating for architecture, means creating the windows, doors, and other roofs, lights, roofs, etc. Right? And as a Revit structure is only for beam columns. You combine with the two also, sir. Revit structures and Revit also. You creating a one elevation for the project or anyone. You creating the one elevation. You also fixed with the footing beam. You also calculated the reinforcement quantity and the concrete quantity also. As the same, the building brick quantities, plastering quantities also it will be taken, sir. There is a difference. The Revit architecture is compared with the only for architecture for beam, sorry, doors, windows, etc. This is only for structural, sir. There is a difference.
So can you tell about what is meant by staff or effects?
Ma'am, not.
Sir, can you clear here, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is some people asking about SAP or EFX course, sir? Is it for civil engineering or some other department course, sir?
What, ma'am? One more time, ma'am.
SAP SAP or EFX, sir?
Tab, tab, tab. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
ST
Yes, sir.
IPS.
Okay, sir.
That is a civil one, ma'am. Civil one, ma'am. Tabs is there, ma'am. Civil.
Okay.
Civil
Can you tell me where we are using it mostly, sir?
Ma'am?
Can you tell where it is mostly using, sir?
I do not know about the staff that's advised. So mostly for using post tensioner, pre-tensioning or post tensioning that type of works, man. That's software. I do not know about that
Okay, sir.
software, man.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you for your very valuable session today, sir. You have made this presentation very well, sir.
Thank you.
Today you have given a much more idea about the Revit structure and its usage with the various columns and beam construction. We have more practically just shown in the video also, sir. More participants have given it as a very good session, sir. Thank you for your valuable time spending with us today, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. That's software. I do not know about that.
Shall we wind up the session, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.